Bonjour, artists and explorers. I'm Ziggy, and I see the world in shapes, shades, and scribbles. Welcome to Colour and Create with Ziggy, where every page is your canvas and every crayon is a magic wand. Today, we're zipping off to Paris, the city of light, art, and buttery croissants. Let's start with the famous Eiffel Tower, but this time, make it your own. Add fireworks, add flying macarons. Did you know the real tower gets taller in summer because of heat? Now imagine, what if your tower could talk, change colours, or fly like a rocket? Go ahead, draw your Eiffel Tower your way. Next stop, Montmartre. You've just found a bakery that smells like sweet dreams. Would it have pink rooftops, a chocolate waterfall, maybe a baguette roller coaster? Colour your dream bakery, then give it a name. Ziggy's would be crayon croissant. What's yours? Challenge time. Pick your boldest, brightest page, or draw your own Paris scene. Then ask a grown-up to help you upload your masterpiece to the Colour and Shine Kids Canvas at educolourpress.com. You'll be featured in our gallery and get a free ebook. Want more? Passport to Adventures, France. Secrets of Paris is packed with mysteries, colouring pages, puzzles, and fun French phrases. Grab your copy and let your creativity take flight. That's all for today's episode of Colour and Create with Ziggy. You can download activities from the free printable library on our website. Keep drawing, keep dreaming. Until next time, stay bright, stay curious, and stay Ziggified.